Here we have Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SE95 PS. Now the Black Beauty's in a great shape and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, an anti-lock braking system, and 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size and it even comes with a full-sized spare wheel. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, a composition media system, and a multimedia interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.